ensanyuso balaba. Happy Valentine's Day! Sinze waliwo akimpadde. Obadde okola live? Hey! Wow!
She's also live.
Yeah, because I knew you guys are coming and I visited the live. Guys,
Obadde omanyi tuleeta ki?
you told me there's a gift birthday.
Kati mbadde simanyi nti nagambye nti ndeeta gift ze mbadde manyi ndeeta surprise. Naye obadde olowooza ndeeta gift ki?
Simanyi oba mwani.
Bannange nsese nnyo. So gogo tufeeko munange. People here ku live.
Hey guys.
Nonno nkubuulira ki? Sente ziizo bataddemu sente naye abimpadde. Nze babimpadde ne babireeta ku geeti. Nze saategedde ani ndowooza neeyogera. Biibino sitoddeeko sente njagala ozibale so that ayinza ogamba maama w'omwana yalidde sente simanyi ani oba pasita oba ani oba ani oba empewo ezifuuyeeko endala I don't know.
Guys, look at all this.
Look at all that.
Look at all that.
Yes.
200, 400.
Kaakano
Look at that.
kuliko ne juice oyo bamuyita juice bamuyita kyekyo heavens
500,000.
naye olina okumpaako kuba nkozesezza amafuta gange okuleeta.
It's okay, kasambira chocolate.
Mbu omwami wendi tofaayo waliwo anagambye mbu omwami waali tofaayo. Si mwami yabimpadde era singa abadde mwami sandireese. You know oli yaleese ku geti nampa ebintu nangamba bino this is Gloria's Valentine's gifts.
Never bring me a gift yet, I'm going to chocolate.
Or money.
Soko omulete tumulye.
I don't know.
You don't know you're going to
I don't know. We got no idea.
bakuletedde ne sabbuuni.
Soap.
Mulimu ne sabbuuni amanyi oli wa moviti.
Someone actually brought me Mobby Family Soap.
Yes.
But you know what? I'm even happy because Mobby Family Soap is now my favorite soap.
Yes.
In our bathrooms ever, and this is coconut banana. Whoever sent it supports.
Ate kati nange njasaamiridde bye balaba ate kati ndabika ate nvudde ku live yange nze yandese nkobe omanyi nze buli ekifa wano ekikufaako like ba followers bo mbalaga biki ebifaayo. Yes, I come in front.
Yeah.
Nze nnyirira okubeera ku Instagram. Hello! Hi there! Tuli wano ku Speak Apartments. Yes.
I have Mobby Family Soap Lemon, Mobby Family Soap Aloe Vera.
Just spirit
Coconut.
of hatred. I'm also
Whoever sent it, yet again there.
it is on. Kwe tuli nnyo waliwo abagamba no kwe bali nnyo Uganda ku camera. Naye bannange temulina buglass wano. Bring the glass. Have you seen the balloons? The balloons are there.
Bring the balloon. Oh, by the balloon.
Zibadde kuli naye zivuddeko mu mmotoka. Zivuddeko.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yes.
And the roses are fresh.
Fresh, not what?
Not those plastic.
Yes.
Even plastic.
Where is Jole? Jole ali ku ssomero. Nyonyola Jole gyali Gloria.
Jolly is a tiger.
Yes. Ali ku ssomero boarding school.
It's even plastic. Mine is not plastic, guys. It's not plastic.
Divine twamugamba mutwala mu kisulo wuuyo n'agamba yetajja genda. Why are we taking kind of big urine? Big urine mbu kye kisulo bambi nga takitegeera.
Let's take some chocolate.
Yes.
Take some chocolate.
naye osanyuse nnyo ofuna 500 jjukira ogenda fuelinga emmotoka bbanga ki naye nze olina okumpako ku sente.
I'm so happy.
You're so happy.
Let me bring glasses. Jeremiah, please help me move the camera around. Okay.
Bannange weetuli mwebale kubaako mwebale kubaako waliwo anagamba Gloria, I'm going to give you my what? Gloria, I'm going to give you what? Sibirabye bulungi bivuddewo. Please everyone help me please. I need 300 to buy my baby milk please. Mommy Glow, you inspire me. We born again, we are not celebrating Valentine's. Bannange tulina omukwano. Jesus is love. Bannange obadde otya? Mulete nze nywe. Jesus is love.
Celebrating God's love.
And some dairy chocolate.
Why are you here, Gloria?
We're here for
Where am I here?
Valentine's Day.
I'm here because I love Speak Apartment.
Hmm.
And every time they have any beautiful package, they will be here, please.
Yes.
You know?
Please.
Yeah, I will be here. Because it's amazing to have a getaway. We work so hard. You know, sometimes it's good to get away and refresh your mind.
I know.
And think better and get out of your comfort zone. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to open the photos.
Bannange, I love Baby Gloria a lot. Bannange tuyanziza nnyo nampeereza nusula. Thank you so much. Your daughter has really. Tetutera binywanywa bino bannange bino ebya wine twala tugende. Kate tumanyi ono si wine, that is not wine kubange waffe. Tetunywa wine. Naye singa twali tunywa wine singa buno bonna tumanyi obusumulula. Naye tuli bakataala. Bana, I love Baby Gloria a lot. Nampereza, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Annette Career, 100%. Mirembe Justin, thank you so much. She's so beautiful like the mom. Am I beautiful? Bana, yemwekikubireko mu ngalo ekyo. I'm beautiful. Yes. Mine is here. Ndudu okumunywako goge mazima. Sesembereza bintu bino oyinza okwekanga ngo yagadde okunywa wine ate nga tolina munywa. Me I take juice. Nteka mu blender obutunda bwange. Mu blender nenkuba.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Tunywemo Rachel. Nga buli busatu. Are we not four? Where is Jemima's?
This unknown person.
Okay.
For real.
Bannange weeyogere eyabimpadde weeyogere.
Bakole bambi weeyogere.
Weeyogere.
Bambi musanyuwa mbalabikidde bubi. Today I had a long day. I have old makeup on my face.
Yes, Gloria. Do you remember the son? Kabadde kampi. She is so beautiful like mom. Neyanziza. Omwami nedda ssebo. Ruthi kasi mwami. Ebyo tetunabituukako. Twakamaliriza first year semester.
Ate tewali mwami agenda ayitira mu mami nga mami aleeta ebirabo. What is that?
I know.
1964.
Naye singa kibabo ekityo ne bayitira mu nze.
Temutwala.
Tomutwala omugaanirawo nga lumu. Yesu ne waba yayogedde.
Pozi nga Yesu azono n'agamba.
Gloria.
Nakuyitira mu mami. It's not that.
Yes.
Nala.
Saying that the volume is off. I don't know why.
Let me see.
On Instagram. Wow, what a lovely family. Banange tweyanziza. Njagala nonze musumula ebirabo byonna nina okuddayo ewaffe. Nina ogenda eka.
A minute.
The song sisobola kukyawa.
Guys, can you hear us, please? Can you hear
You
us?
are loved. Gloria abantu mikwano gyo bagambye oyagalibwa.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you for loving me.
She's so beautiful
I
like
love you
mom.
more. Can you hear us?
Gloria, how did you keep that figure? Explain, yes.
Banana.
Can you turn around? Yeah.
Can you guys hear us now?
Baagala kumanya kafigo okakuumya otya Gloria.
Bizibu.
Bizibu bitya gogo. Do you have problems? Nedda Gloria, sooka otunyumize. bizibu bitya.
I'm joking.
You're joking. Nanti bagala kumanya how you maintain that figure.
I eat here. I think it was school help. I didn't know what they meant by campus figure. But I'm
Where are you going? I'm following you. Nse go one day say one. Go atola gawa. Mami Gloria. We born again. We're not celebrating Valentine's. Just spirit of hatred. Also born again, but I celebrate just a special day to love. Nagambye ne Daddy Gloria, nemuga Daddy Gloria, even me I want that boxing ejjudde sente. Namugambye njagala box eyo ngejjudde sente. Onoonya network. Nze ndiwo okugoberera. They don't hear you. Sorry. Maybe you don't have volume on your phone. Eh? Please, everyone help me. Anyone waliwo agambye naye abalina ku ssente n'amaalo mbu ebiguddeko mu mmotoka. Naye bannange temunvuma amaalo bannange nange nalabiraawo. Swimming pool yiiyaawo. Bwe bava wano mugenda wuga?
Yeah, of course.
Mugenda wuga? Gloria avuddeko ba Instagram friends be tebaliiko musanze akola live ye. Gloria beerako. Wabula akasimu kange ne kagwayo baani akangulira. Simanya ani akangulira. Gloria, you so inspiring, seriously. Bannange tweyanziza. Happy day, baby Gloria. Master Brenda, thank you so much. Yes, Chiza Victoria, I'm going to give her my brother. Nedda soko bireke ebyo mama wange soko bireke. Happy day, baby Gloria. Mercy, your daughter looks wow. Derek, thank you so much. Jocelyn Uganda, naye oyo nakimaze dda. Happy naye abalina sente n'amaalo mbu bimuguddeko mmotoka. Bidda, like I like the Gloria in her. Thank you so much. Kati wano tuvuddewo. Kino kyekisenga Gloria wagenda sula today. Eri wansi waliyo abantu baabo. Zino speaker apartments. Yes. Yes. So we are here. Okomyeo?
I'm here.
You're here? Okay. Bana nze nga kaweddemu ka heaven mukanyongere. Bana munyumirwa neyongere. Oba mukoye. I love you Binji. Thank you so much my darling. Thank you so much my darling. Long time mama. Monange jendi. Ndieyo. Gloria, are you still on?
Yeah.
Abantu bacyaliko bannange ba followers bo.
Yay.
Banyongereko mama.
Bambi guys, thank you for being on the live. You opened the gift with me. Let me just get this.
Nyongerako. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ebibuuzo biri wano, but she's so pretty. Chei. Bana, you're so pretty. I'm born again and she's born again, so I think we can coordinate. Tuchisabire. Maseke is Malaika. Gloria, do you remember the song called Sisobola Kuchawa? Imagine she was so young, like my little girl. Yes. Namata Rachel Saba Kupayo. Mom, thank you for the care. Neyanziza mama Tresa Gambi. Wow, what a wonderful family. Mweyagale akenge kamwe nedda mama tetunywa mwenge. Ono heavens juice tetunywa mwenge twalokoka. Temuli mu kitamiiza wuno wa apple non-alcoholic celebration drink. Yes. Si mwenge Bambi. Are you okay, Gogo? Can we live our life or about to stay?
I think we are. we have done enough.
Mama waliwo abakuba music wuuno wano wa Valentine bakukubidde. I'm so proud of you, Mom. Thank you so much. Joan Lian. Kati ekibuuzo kibabuuziza kye njagala oddemu tugulewo. Ekigalo bagambye okola otya figayo n'obeera ng'oli mwana mutono nga togejja. Sooka oyogere.
For real, it's a real question.
Yes, it is a question. Abantu baagala okusala weight.
I should become a weight loss fanatic anyways. I'm very careful on what I eat. And then I work out because my mom gave me bad genes.
Naye Gloria wandikomyawo munnange wandindese n'omubiri gwange nze nali mutono maama nze gwolaba naye bwe natandika okuzaala abaana ate kuggwe mama wange nampa obuugi n'engejja.
No, but I think she gave me the genes that make me flat, like sitting mutonombo. I'm small.
Yes.
When I eat, I can become.
Until you see this divine, the baby ndunya. Ye munene.
I can become very big. Yeah, so I have to be careful, and then I work out. When I gain too much weight. Yeah, and I think now it was cool. It made me maintain. Whether
Yes.
I wanted it or not.
Yes.
Oh, someone just sent you a gift of a rocket.
For you?
Yeah.
She is so beautiful. I love. She's so beautiful. No, manyi gift ono gyagamba gyalabye.
Those messages that you ever seen.
Ne emojis zona gifts zo.
Yeah.
So, Gloria,
Yeah.
we want to wish you
Happy
a
Valentine's
happy
Day.
Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Yes, katubaleke tunaffe today waffe.
One day I want to meet.
So,
One day I want
Baby
to meet
Gloria
Baby Gloria.
akuza omulaba bambi from a baby to a big girl. Yes.
Yeah.
So. Na kino kikino wano kikazi ne bakiyita kijemaima kyo kyali kinene nakyo kisaze ka weight katono kaakati university kyemukola. I request to be born
Gogo
again
Makono, stop.
in your family.
Katala.
Gogo Mukono, stop kukudduka. Come back, we are here for you. Mbulekera okugamba odduka ogenda, they are here for you. So kwete ebintu ebinatulabo babiweddemu zi chocolate. Lete ekimuli kiri okyebaze tugende buli kimu ekyagiddemu. Tugende. Mami Gloria, I'm your old friend in here kyaterekera. Ye nnyabo nakubulwa. Ye nnyabo.
Money is a gift.
There is money. How much?
500,000.
Kubanga yasikuwadde ayinza okuba ali ku live tomanya tategedde nti ngenda kukola live.
500,000 on soap. Morbid family soap.
Yes.
Because I'm the ambassador, I cannot keep quiet. This is coconut, this is rose, this is aloe vera, this is lemon. Guys, this is the most amazing soap ever. I don't have seen this ever. And then these are the flowers. They are fresh. They are breathtaking. And then
Biweddemu ebirabo ebibaddemu no.
and then the drinks that we have just taken, the chocolates, it was just and thank you so much. Whoever brought it, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mwebaze ddamu webaze mu Luganda. Tuli baki?
Siri Muganda.
We are undone.
Ogaba eki baby?
We are undone.
You yogera.
Have you seen this? Banange neyanziza. Thank you so much. Webale nnyo kumpeereza bino ebimuli ebirungi ebiri fresh ebiwunya obulungi.
Birimu aka perfume.
Ne sabuni wange oba Morbid. And
Yes.
then the drink yange twagimazeewo yonna. And then sente zange neyanziza nnyo. I cannot wait to know you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching.
Kati ate munaye mami aleese ogenda mwebaza mu ngeri ki baby?
Tewali nina mugamba bye agende yeyagale nga yeebase.
Gogo nsaba ku ssente nenkireeta mu kiro kino wandikisanzeeyo eka nga kikaze.
It's okay, webale kuzireeta mu bulungi mukama kwomukisa.
Amiina.
Yeah, bye bye zigenda mu nsawo.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Kale bannange
I'm joking.
You're joking. Kale mpaaka ezange nze badde nsiibula wano abantu balina okumanya oba oli mukodo oba toli mukodo.
Those are but my name, but they don't know I'm joking. I'm not sitting mukodo.
Oli muntu agaba. By the way, Gloria agaba. Ndidde nnyo sente za Gloria ekyo kyo tekyegaana.
Okay, bye.
Nga mpaako ku sente ze.
Thank you.
Okay. Kale. I press what? Finish? Okay.